Hello everybody, today's lesson about properties of zero, and that's help us to multiply and divide zero with another number, or another number with a zero, and so on. Let's start by multiplication by zero. So if we have a zero and another number, and we want to multiply them together, here we have the product of any number and zero is equal to zero. So if we have any real number, like if we have for example, let's take an example here. Okay, let's take an example like if we have any real number like -3 multiplied by 0, the answer is going to be 0. And also if we have another one like if we have 1/4 and that's a fraction multiplied by 0, okay, the answer is going to be 0. If we use a decimal number like 12.335, okay, multiplied by 0, okay, the answer is going to be 0. So if we have any number, it's called a multiplied by 0, okay, the answer is going to be 0. This is the first part. Okay, the second part, here we have 0 divided by a number. So the quotient of 0 and non-zero number is equal to 0, and the word here non-zero number is very important word. Okay, so we have to take care if our number is zero number or non-zero number. Okay, so let's take an example. Here we have, if we have a number, okay, so here is the statement here tells us if we have the quotient of 0 and non-zero number is equal to 0. So if you have a number like for example 0/4, that's a fraction, okay, the answer is going to be 0. Also if we have a number or an example like that, if we have for example 0 divided by 1.15, the answer is going to be 0. And also if we take another example, like if we have a real number like 0 divided by -7, the answer is going to be 0. So if we have 0 as a dividend and we divide it by any number like a, the answer is going to be 0, and the quotient is going to be 0. The last part here we have is division by 0. Division by 0 is undefined. So if you have any number like 12, for example, divide by 0, okay, divide by 0, sorry, that's undefined. Okay, it has no meaning. And also if we have, for example, 1 and 2/3 divided by 0, that's undefined. If we have a decimal number like 1.07 divided by 0, the answer is undefined. So for any number a divided by 0, the answer is undefined. Okay, so that's our lesson today, and this are three properties of 0 for multiplication and division. Thank you very much.